Man, y'all remember these watches? I still got mine. I had this, I think middle school or high school or something like that. Late middle school, early high school. And I just kept it ever since, changed out the battery a couple of times. Changed the straps a couple of times. I like this watch, it's pretty cool. It's cloudy skies. And the wind is blowing a little bit, which always means to me that it's gonna rain. It's gonna be light showers in spots. So it's kind of a hit and miss thing. I'm gonna get out here and work anyway. I have to trim some crepe myrtles and kind of like hit the top of some magnolias, some very tall magnolias. I have this is an 8-foot ladder. I'm gonna invest in me another one, get a taller one. To my first job of the day. It's probably gonna be my only job of the day. It look like it wants to rain, but the weather channel said it was gonna be in spots and it was just gonna be light showers. So I think I'll be okay. But I think that everyone in lawn care should invest in a chainsaw. It's just my opinion. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I've done quite well with one. I have 2 of them. They're both the same model, same brand. It's a Stihl. Once I get out the truck, I'll show you what it looks like. But it's the Stihl chainsaw. I think it's one of the smallest ones that they make. It only costs $179. It's a good, strong, durable chainsaw. And I think everyone that's in the lawn care business should have one because it pays for itself. Like I said, I paid $179 for it. I've trimmed countless trees with it. The crepe myrtles that I trimmed earlier this week, I made $60 doing that. I'm gonna do 4 crepe myrtles and the very top of some magnolia trees. So it's gonna be real quick and simple. This job, I think I'll probably make about $140, maybe 120. Like I said, it pays for itself. This thing has paid for itself over and over and over again. I mean, I've made enough money to buy probably 10 of these chainsaws, trimming little small tree jobs over the past few months. So it's something that you should look into. Like I said, it's $179. I promise you'll make that money back if you go out there and grind and let your customers know that you do trim trees, keep an eye out, make sure you look at their houses, make sure you look and see. A lot of people, they have trees and they grow up against the house, they're all up against the gutters and stuff like that. You want to tell them that that's a good way termites can get into your home, and that's a true statement. Termites can actually travel on trees and go onto your house. You don't want anything growing up against your house, and you want to let them know that I can trim those for you. And they'll be like, yeah, how much? And, there you go. Make your money back. Let your equipment pay for itself. All right, guys, here is the Stihl MS-170. And it's only $179. It's a very good chainsaw. It will go straight through small to medium limbs. You can actually take it through some large limbs as well. It's very good to have in your arsenal of equipment and tools. It'll make you some quick money. I've already started on 1 crepe myrtle in the back. been here talking with the client and making sure I cut everything up to standard. Okay, she just wants me to get those. Here are the magnolias. I thought there were only two, but they're actually four. She wants me to get the top of them. The top of them just have that little piece sticking up. They just want me to knock it down so everything can look, nice and uniform. So. You see those at the top. So I'll get up there with my chainsaw to get that. I would like to use my trimmers, but the blade mechanism on my trimmers have broken, so I have some on back order, and still does not know when they will be in. So I gotta do what I gotta do. I'm just gonna get that little top pieces off. Ran out of gas. Made the mistake of not filling up before I started. But be so eager to get started. Okay, these things, if you never owned a chainsaw before, one side is the gas, one side is the oil, bar oil. They have it clearly labeled where the gas is. If you ever, put the wrong fluid on the wrong end, just empty it out immediately or just take it to your dealer. This is what I use. When I buy steel products, I try to use steel fluids because I know this is going to be the right one for it. This is specifically designed for steel, but All of it fit into the bed of my truck. It wasn't a lot of it. I thought I was gonna have more limbs to carry off in this, but